you okay? I saw.
Okay. Good? Yeah.
You got this? Any words for the video camera?
Nah. I'm good.
He's badass.
No words.
Oh, okay.
There's just a 512A at the edge in Clifton Park.
He's been doing it since like spring, I think. Like last spring.
Let's start over.
No.
I might be in these girls' way.
It's not, I don't know. See how it goes. Oh no. Yeah. It's like a little overlapping, but not bad.
I think it gets that hard.
We'll see.
Nice.
A little locked in
Oh yeah.
Keep going, buddy. Nice. Yeah. World class.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Nice. Take 5. World class. World class.
Are you okay? I saw like I was looking at her and I sort of like, are you okay?
Nice.
I was not sure what to do.
Good job, buddy.
I'm a champion. Let's go.
Yeah, nice. Good job, buddy. Awesome.
Thanks. Appreciate it.